He drives off with all the materials and I come over here. Oh, bloody hell, I'm gonna have to walk this over, aren't I? Okay, I can't carry it. She's too heavy. It's a lot of wire. Oh, maybe I could. See? It's just not worth it. He'll come back. He'll come back. Hello and welcome back to another episode. Today we are extending the chick area, which is accessed through the main coop. Part of the main area is going to be the chick area. This was the previous little setup we made quickly as a easy fix for a weekend when we went away, but naturally we're getting more chicks and I want to hatch more chicks, so we need a bigger area. We're gonna need a bigger boat. What we're gonna do is this rusty panel and this rusty panel, and we'll infill the middle section with a gate and something else, build them up with chicken mesh, and we'll put in a couple of these posts which we got for cheap at a market the other day. Here's the other 4, so I'll grab them over the fence. Work smarter, not harder. Selection! I'd have chosen that one too.
Would you?
Yep. Everything lining up nicely.
And the rabbit's even improved.
Yep. Oh, you've had a bust out. I'll get for you.
Oh, thanks. Cheers. Not there.
Huh? You're not holding it straight. Yes! Oh. This is upside down.
No, it's not.
Set me up for failure. Hold it still at least. I know. Rest this on my hip. How about that? That's safe?
No.
Alright. Better? Oh, that hurt! Oh,
No,
rebounded into me.
Yeah, push it down your rock. Don't like that. You've got to cut it right off the end.
I thought it was a long way from being through. Just come to get the bucket of fencing equipment, so I'll give little Dusty Boy some more grain. Transitioning him from milk. He's been eating his grain pretty good, but we need to can the milk now, don't we, mate? Ooh, you ate lots. There you go. Dig in. You want me to take your jacket off? Yeah, you're not getting milk. Doesn't matter what you hint. Hello. Hi. Do you want your jacket off? Just in case. Oh! Get out! Get out! Oh! What are you doing? I'm not your mother. Ow.
So it seems that I've been rather foolish for some time, trying to chase a life, the dreams you should have left behind. You told me go on a sea where they might lead you in the end. You never know until you've seen it all for yourself. My mind lost track of time, letting the light of my doubts slip through, trying to recall all of the memories I've shared with you. Still I'm struggling to see what it is that I could be, 'cause I just can't forget.
Alright, I don't know if you can see. There we go. So we've got the wire sticking up for when we put the roof from here along. Meets the bottom. Very good. Now we just need to figure out underneath where they've been dust bathing and making uneven ground. Pack that in with something.
Like a child when I'm alone there with you, all my worries in the world. Each other in our arms together and never stray too far. Still I'm struggling to see what it is that I could be, but I just can't forget.